Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a box from Lancaster Farm Fresh, but I also am checking back in with Farmbox Direct. So we're gonna have a little head-to-head here. Lancaster versus Farmbox. Who do you think's gonna win? Farmbox order is a little interesting. I always forget when I'm getting an order from Farmbox, so it's not customized. This is whatever they put in here. This box I paid $68.93 for. This is all organic, I think medium box. The Lancaster Farm Fresh box is $39.99 and it's also all organic medium box. So it'll be really interesting to see this head to head. Let's get these boxes open and find out what's inside. I'm gonna move this. The Enviro Ice. And the very durable piece, ooh, two very durable pieces of paper. This already looks really good. Swiss Chard. This is really, can you see that? Kind of dark in here. It's dark outside, it's winter. This looks really pretty. If I stand back here, you can see it, right? This is really pretty, guys. Really pretty Chard, or Chard, because somebody did correct my pronunciation a long time ago. I say Chard, they say Chard. I don't know. Which do you prefer? And then we have some green leaf. This looks like green leaf lettuce, and this is very nice and fresh. Some more green leaf lettuce, very nice and fresh. And some curly parsley. I prefer the flat leaf parsley, but you know what? I'm not gonna complain. This looks good. Very fresh. Everything, just very fresh. And looks like we have some beets. There's 3 here. Wow, lots of beets. Lots and lots of beets. And 4, so that's 7 beets. And then we have some yellow potatoes. I have to stand back because it's dark. Yellow potatoes and some more beets. So 7, 8, 9 beets so far. And some radishes. These will go great with the salad. Wow, they're huge. Check out the radishes, guys. This looks like Napa cabbage. I'm gonna have to check at the contents and see what they say it is, because I could be wrong. I sometimes am. And then we've got, this is Romanesco, I think? Yes, Romanesco cauliflower. You see that? Nice. This is the Lancaster box and it's $39.99. It fills up my sink. By the way, if you guys want to try Lancaster Farm Fresh, there's a link in the description down below. And if you use code AIMEE5, AIMEE5, you'll save $5 off your first order. If you want to order from them, be sure to use that code. Now we're going to move over to the Farmbox box. The Farmbox box. This was supposed to have been delivered yesterday. FedEx said it was delivered yesterday, but it wasn't here. We were home. We have security cameras. There was no FedEx guy here, but they say it was delivered. Oddly, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon today, it arrived. Not sure what happened there. Did they just not feel like delivering it yesterday and said they delivered it? I don't know. Oh, by the way, there was somebody who left me a comment a while back about imperfect foods and how they were surprised that my order wasn't delivered by Imperfect Foods and it was delivered by FedEx. I just got an email today that says future orders will be delivered by Imperfect, not FedEx. So I thought that was interesting and I should just bring it up with you guys. This costs twice what the Farmbox box costs. Almost twice. I mean, maybe not quite twice, but close. We got some celery. Remember, this was supposed to be delivered yesterday, so I'm not expecting everything in here to be great. Just saying. I still do like that they wrap everything. I have always liked that about Farmbox. That was one of the first things I really loved, that everything is wrapped. This is some nice flat leaf kale. And it actually looks pretty good considering it was sitting around for a day while FedEx said they delivered it. I don't know what that was about. Some apples. These are 2 Fuji apples. They look good. More potatoes. I better check my Misfits order for next week and make sure I don't have potatoes on that order, because I think we have enough potatoes. Remember all those potatoes I had ordered from Misfits a couple weeks ago before Christmas? We used most of them. I'm pretty good at using things. Ooh, some pears. These are actually really nice and firm, and these are red pears. Some Brussels sprouts, and this is what they call one bunch of Brussels sprouts. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Brussels sprouts in here. I don't know about you, but this wouldn't be enough for 2 of us to eat for dinner, right? I mean, it's not a lot. But I do have a bunch of them. I'm gonna combine them all into one. Each bag is like a handful of Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna show you. It's a handful, see? I fit them all in my hand. It's a generous handful. What they call 3 bunches, but really I would say it's like 1.5 bunches of Brussels sprouts. The freshness factor, just looking at this right now, the freshness factor on the Lancaster side looks way better than Farmbox Direct. This is freshness factor Lancaster. This is freshness factor from Farmbox. So far. An avocado. Ooh, some tomatoes. I was wondering what we're gonna have for dinner because it's pretty late and I haven't even thought that through yet. I'll probably use these tomatoes with some of the lettuce that we got from Lancaster. Some more potatoes. These are big potatoes, guys. Much bigger than what we get from Misfits and Lancaster. What is this? A cucumber. Or is it zucchini? Zucchini. 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 Lettuce. I don't know what I'm making for dinner. I was gonna make lasagna today and then the day got away from me. It's been crazy today. Some more pears, another zucchini, and this one is a little damaged. It's got a split in it. I mean, that happens sometimes with all these companies, unfortunately. Ooh, some green pears. Colin loves pears. He's gonna be really excited about the pears. This is a little disappointing in the way of carrots. I mean, they're okay, but I prefer Lancaster's carrots. I wish I could tell them that I want more carrots and Lancaster would send me more carrots, but unfortunately it doesn't work that way. I think this is more tomatoes. Yes, more tomatoes. These look good. I mean, I'm happy with this. I just feel like the price is high. Is this another pear? Oh, it's an apple. Another apple, and this is another Fuji apple. Looks good. And then we've got a bunch of mandarins. A ton of them. Bunch of them. Wow. Oh. Caught it. Another potato. So many potatoes, too little time. I should have a shirt that says that. Would you buy a shirt for me if it said so many potatoes, too little time? And if we spelled time, like thyme, the herb thyme, wow, okay, I might do that. I love it. And by the time I post this video, I may have that shirt. So if I do, there's a link to it in the description down below. And then we've got some more green pears. Wow, Colin's gonna love the pears. Did I get everything? I did. And the ice pack's on the bottom. So that is everything from Farmbox Direct. It actually looks really good. Everything from Farmbox is on the counter here, and it looks good. And over here, kind of teetering. And then we've got all the stuff from Lancaster in the sink. I feel like the stuff from Farmbox is a little bit more useful in general than the stuff from Lancaster, although we do have lettuce from Lancaster, which is super nice. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of all of this. Would you order from Farmbox Direct or would you order from Lancaster Farm Fresh? I have links to both these companies in the description down below, and if you use those links, or promo code or whatever with Lancaster to promo code. With Farmbox, it's just a link. But if you use those links, you will save money on your order. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to save money and get organic vegetables. Just post it to your social media too, what the heck. And remember, I post videos every week that can help you with your nutrition, your fitness, your figure skating, and live a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. Happy eating. I will see you real soon. Bye.